Hello students. So today we will be discussing about the bacteria's binary fission. So previous video we have talked about the amoeba, how the amoeba reproduce asexually through the binary fission, and today we will be discussing about the bacteria's body. Suppose in case of the lactobacillus bacteria, it is very the easy example. In case of the bacteria, most of the bacteria they are the prokaryotic unicellular, and in most cases the chromosomal part it will be the DNA part. Okay, so that's why DNA present as their genetic material and they reproduces asexually, okay, through the binary fission. Binary fission again means it will form two daughter cells, means at the one cyclic process of the reproduction we will find from the one parent body it will arise two daughter cells. Okay, so let's see how it will complete. In case of the bacteria's body, if you see, most of the bacteria's body it is the tube-like, tube shaped, okay, or the capsule shaped. Okay, so in case of this type of bacteria, they possess at the outer membrane it is called as the cell wall. Okay, and after the cell wall, the plasma membrane as the cell membrane it is there, and though it is a prokaryotic, but here it is DNA is present as a naked DNA and it is named as the chromosomal part. So first of all, what it should be replicated, the DNA should be replicated first thing. Okay, so at the first phase of the replication, or the suppose in case of the binary fission, it will replicate the DNA material, means chromosome. So here the two daughter chromosomal part it will arise due to the DNA replication. So after arising, the cytokinesis process it will be followed by. So here the cytokinesis means the cytoplasm will be separated through a separation point, or it will called as the constriction process or constriction point. So with the help of this thin like connection, the two cell it will getting separated, and at the last phase we will get two daughter cell. Whenever this junction it will remove, means it will arise or it is acting as a parent cell as it is, and it is called as the daughter cell. So in this part the bacteria it has completed their asexual reproduction. Okay, and within a few minutes they reproduces rapidly. Okay, so that's why in a short period of time we can find a much more population of the bacteria in any case of the culture medium. Okay, so students, write this thing: fission, binary fission, and under the binary fission how the bacteria it can reproduce. Okay.